All right, DV8 Hater. What's up, everybody? This is the Bowling Fool here. So if you watched my live stream the other day, I got this as a Bowling World surprise ball. All I did was I asked them for a strong, sharp pearl, and this is what they gave me. So this ball came out earlier in the year. I'll put on the numbers right up here for you. My old PSO said this was a very good ball. He talked this ball up a lot, so this has been on my radar for a long time. I just never got it at $190. I was waiting for it to drop down or potentially get it as a surprise ball, which I did, so pretty cool. Funny thing about DV8 is they're pretty much made for two-handed bowlers. And I'm not a two-handed bowler, obviously, and I don't have a lot of high rev rate. But somehow they seem to work for me. So kudos to DV8 and your core designer and your bowling ball designers for making really good balls that work for me. I've got my Jopo in there. I've got my turbo grips in there. My layout I went with this one was 55 by 4 by 25, which seems to be a very good layout for me. I'm looking for a strong pearl for Napa lanes, kind of like game 2 or game 3. Napa doesn't put out a lot of oil, so pearls seem to work best for me there. Or the other houses I can use is possibly game 3. Very strong ball. The pour on this one looks really cool. We're gonna go ahead out to Napa and see what we can do with this bad boy. All right, DV8 Hater, see what we got here. Oh.
Down guys, so we love your voting. Happy holidays, make sure you get everybody. We'll see everybody. Wish you a happy New Year.
All right, 227. Not too shabby. The Hater DV8 Pearl, game 1. I like the shape. DV8 Hater, holy moly. It's another banger from DV8. So DV8's been knocking it out of the park. I have a lot of DV8s now just because they work well for me. And today was no exception. So the lanes were a little bit scorched today, a little burnt. Perfect conditions for this, and this thing was hooking like a monster. I'm very happy with the shape of the ball and the strength of the ball. So this one definitely gets my approval. And let me know if you guys have the DV8 Hater Pearl or the hybrid. But this one is going to work well for me. I got a really good feeling. If you like the video, give me a like, comment down below, and be sure to subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching, everybody.